Cascadia Daily News is a hyper-local publication. We cover a two-county region in the very northwest corner of Washington State on the border with Canada. Before I got here, there was no dedicated reporter covering healthcare between Seattle and Vancouver. By placing me here, there is now someone who every single day wakes up and, asks questions about healthcare in this community. And that didn't exist for a long time.
Before I got here at the Yakima Herald, they didn't have a dedicated education reporter. So this was a position that they really wanted to fill. And I'm happy to be here to fill that. So I'm doing as much as I can in the community to kind of put a voice on the educational system here and to kind of let the community know what's happening, what's going on with their children, and what districts are doing to improve educational success for their children.
My name's Henry Brannon. I'm a former Report for America Corps member, and then after that, I went on to be a part of the Murrow News Fellowship. Any journalist, you have a responsibility to be fair to everybody, and that doesn't change no matter who funds it. But when it is state funding, you really feel like the civic duty aspect even more so, especially when explicitly you're told, your mandate is to cover civic issues, cover people's lives, do the stories that nobody else is able to do. It's just so exciting to imagine what everybody could accomplish together. We did thousands and thousands of stories, and still all of us, when we talk, there's so many stories left on the table, and rural stories in particular, where there's just not enough hours in the day to do them. And so knowing that there are going to be more reporters picking up these stories after we leave, and that it's not just going to go back to the news deserts that it was, is extremely heartening.
People have this sense of hope around the work that we are doing and that I'm doing around healthcare. Along with that hope, they share a great sense of gratitude for this National Service Organization, RFA, placing me here. So people in the community have not been shy about sharing their gratitude for this.